Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. Little's over here installing a Jensen P15LL for a customer here in Fayetteville, North Carolina. This is a Leslie 122 RV, and that we've disassembled and cleaned the parts in, and now we're reassembling this Leslie. And the customer requested a upgrade on the bass speaker. So rather than replacing his C15L, he wants a Jensen P15LL. So this is a freshly recombed Jensen P15LL, done for me by Slice Speaker out of Kansas City, Missouri. John Vanderslice did the work. And now we have Brother Little Austin installing this bass speaker for us. And this thing is gonna sound good. Gives you that deep bass. Those speakers that they make these days, the new speakers, just can't compare to this vintage quality type speaker that's been reconed. Jensen knew what the Jensen people knew what they were doing in making this speaker, and the Leslie folks knew what they were doing in installing these speakers in their Leslie cabinets. If you know the history of that, these speakers like this Jensen P15s were used in the 22 series, the 22H and the 47 cabinets, but you find them also in the 145s and the 142, the short cabinets. I like to use them in the full size 122s and 147s, but most of the 122s, 147s, you'll see these Jensen C15L, which is the black speaker. But I love this P15. I love the sound of this P15 in these, and so my client who will be playing this organ for the particular church here wanted me to instead of installing the C15, which was installed in this cabinet originally, he wanted me to install a new P15, so that's what I'm doing for him. And I appreciate having Brother Austin here take care of that business for me. Spin that rotor for me, Austin. Make sure it's not scratching. There you go. We oil those bearings down there. So in fact, there's a new bearing in the bottom, and been properly oiled. The motors clean, oiled, and so we're ready to continue on in the progress. All right, so let me move on. Till the next video, this is Dr. Kemp, along with Austin. Man, get that screwdriver away from my speaker, boy. All right, till the next video. The Hammond Doc. What do you say, Austin?
So.
All right, man.